Hey there, fellow travelers. Mark here with Wolters World, and today I'm in my hotel bathroom. Because today I want to talk about, or actually I want to ask you, what are some of the gross, kind of weird things you found at hotels when you've come in? Because last night I got to this hotel, very nice place actually, and I came and there was a standard, 4 washcloths. And this morning when I took a shower, I found an extra washcloth right there. And look, it's old and crunchy and crusty. Yuck! And I know in our travels we've had some very interesting things we've found in our hotel rooms. And usually, yes, it's bathroom related, whether it's a floater in a bathroom or a poo-covered toilet. But I thought this would be a good time to get you involved and ask you, what are some of the weird things that you found in your hotel rooms or your apartment rentals on your travels? And sometimes they're gross, sometimes they're funny, and sometimes they just make you go, I wish I did not discover that. So let us know in the comments section below so we can collect those and maybe put together a fun reel of some of the more interesting things people found in your hotel room. And yeah, I'm not going to be using that bathtub today. Bye. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, let us know down below.